If you're in the market for a versatile, portable blender that's perfect for on-the-go lifestyles, this Bosicte Portable Blender is worth considering. This sleek, modern blender is designed to meet the needs of busy individuals who want to stay healthy, whether at the office, the gym, or on the road. With its powerful performance, ease of use, and stylish design, the Bosicte Portable Blender offers a blend of convenience and functionality that sets it apart from other personal blenders on the market. One of the first things you'll notice about the Bosicte Portable Blender is its sleek and compact design. The black finish, coupled with the diamond-cut textures on the cup body, gives it a stylish and modern appearance that will complement any kitchen or workspace. It's not just about looks. The blender is incredibly portable, making it perfect for people who are always on the move. Weighing in at just over a pound and featuring a convenient leather handle, it's easy to carry with you wherever you go. The blender's 20-ounce cup is just the right size for personal servings. Whether you're making a protein shake, a smoothie, or a quick blend of your favorite fruits and vegetables. The cup is detachable, making it easy to switch from blending mode to travel mode. You can simply replace the blender base with the travel bottom cover and take your drink with you. No need to transfer it to a separate container. Despite its compact size, the Bosicte Portable Blender packs a serious punch when it comes to performance. Equipped with a 270-watt motor and 6 sharp stainless steel blades, this blender can easily handle a wide range of ingredients. Whether you're blending soft fruits like bananas and strawberries, or crushing ice and frozen fruits, the Bosicte Portable Blender gets the job done with ease. With a rotational speed of up to 18,000 RPM, the blender can create smooth and nutritious drinks in just 30 seconds. This makes it perfect for quick breakfasts, post-workout shakes, or even a midday snack. The blender operates quietly, so you won't have to worry about disturbing others while you blend. One of the standout features of this blender is its dual-mode functionality. The standard blending mode is ideal for soft ingredients, automatically stopping after 30 seconds. For tougher ingredients like frozen fruits, ice cubes, or hard vegetables, pulse mode is your go-to. Simply double-click the switch to enter pulse mode and press and hold to blend. This gives you full control over the blending process and allows you to achieve the desired texture. The Bosicte Portable Blender is designed with convenience in mind, and that extends to its charging capabilities. Comes equipped with a large 4,000 mAh built-in battery, providing enough power for a week's worth of daily blending when fully charged. This is a huge plus for those who don't want to worry about constantly recharging their blender. Charging is made easy with the included Type-C charging cable, which can be inserted on both sides. The blender is compatible with a wide range of USB charging ports, including laptops, power banks, car chargers, and more. This flexibility ensures that you can charge your blender no matter where you are, making it a truly portable solution for your blending needs. The 12 LED indicator lights on the base of the blender provide clear information about the battery status. More green lights indicate a higher battery level, while red lights let you know when it's time to charge. This visual display is a helpful feature that eliminates the guesswork and ensures that you're never caught off guard with a dead battery. Safety is a top priority with the Bosicte Portable Blender. The LED lights also serve as a safety indicator, flashing red if the cup and base are not properly tightened. This prevents the blender from starting until everything is securely in place, reducing the risk of spills or accidents. The thoughtful design makes this blender a great choice for individuals who want a reliable and safe blending experience. In terms of ease of use, the Bosicte Portable Blender excels. The detachable cup jar design allows for easy cleaning, and the package includes a variety of cleaning tools to make the process even simpler. You'll receive a straw brush, cup brush, and blade cleaning cloth, ensuring that every part of the blender is properly cleaned after each use. Cup, lid, and blender base can be disassembled, making it easy to clean each component thoroughly. The Bosicte Portable Blender comes with a generous selection of accessories that add to its value. In addition to the blender itself, you'll receive 2 silicone straws, a travel bottom cover, an ice cube tray, and various cleaning tools. These extras make the blender even more versatile. allowing you to create a wide range of drinks and take them with you wherever you go. The inclusion of an ice cube tray is a thoughtful touch that highlights the blender's ability to handle frozen ingredients with ease. Whether you're making an iced smoothie or a frozen cocktail, the Bosicte Portable Blender has you covered. Final thoughts. The Bosicte Portable Blender is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a personal blender, combines power, portability, and convenience. Its compact design and rechargeable battery make it perfect for on-the-go use, while its powerful motor and dual blending modes ensure that you can create a wide variety of drinks with ease. The included accessories and safety features further enhance its value, making it a versatile and reliable addition to your kitchen or travel gear. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.